Hello everyone, my name is Gil Turiel. I am the owner and founder of Florida Liberty Real Estate Investment. We are a real estate company who based here in Lee County. We are a construction company and a management company. We provide full services from A to Z. We locate the right place to build. We pull out the permit from the city, build the house, send updates, videos, pictures to you guys, the investors, and when the house is finished, we have a CO, certificate of occupancy. We do the closing. You can get up to 70% loan to value loan for 30 years amortization. First 10 years, you can pay only the interest. If you want to come to this paradise and just enjoy the nature or just build your home for investment, shoot me an email or just call me to 404-992-7082. Gil Turiel here in Paradise, Fort Myers, Cape Coral. Thank you.